Everyone, Prince JL here. I'm on a mission to help 30 families qualify for buying a home in the next 6 months with specialized lending programs. And to start that mission, I'm going to start with a question that might sound a little unusual, which is, can I be your lender? Well, your side lender. Look, I know you probably have a primary lender you've used for years, but last year, did you lose any commissions because one of your primary lenders said no at the 11th hour or on a Saturday evening when their office is closed and you're trying to close, or because they couldn't find a solution for a self-employed buyer? I'm not here to replace your number one. I'm just here to be the specialist you call when your number one can't do it. Now, why should a realtor work with me? First problem I solve is the black hole of big tech lending, and we've all been there. Your client goes with a big box lender, and suddenly you're stuck talking to a different person every time. You call a 1-800 number, and you're stuck on hold. Now, ask yourself, when a closing is on the line this Friday, do you want an algorithm or do you want my cell phone number? I provide the power of Rocket Pro TPO, but I'm your single point of contact. I own the file from start to finish. And think about your current pipeline. How much faster could you reinvest your commissions if your underwriting was proactive instead of reactive? We use dedicated underwriting pods. We identify hurdles in the first 72 hours, not the final week. And because I'm a broker, I offer wholesale pricing. Question: if I could give your buyer 20,000 more in buying power just by lowering their rate or fees, how many more of your listings would they be able to afford? Is your current lender a one-trick pony? If it's not a perfect 30-year conventional, do they struggle? My grids cover everything from FHA and VA to bank statement loans for your entrepreneurs. What happens to your business when you can finally say yes to the clients everyone else was turning down? We don't just find a loan, we find a specialty that fits your client's DNA. And let me tell you, it, we're good. Okay, now let's talk about winning multi-offer wars. Prequal is a hope and a prayer, and my verified approval letter is a weapon. It means an underwriter has already signed off on the income and assets. And when you're the listing agents, realtors, which offer are you telling your to take? The one that might close or the one that's already through underwriting? I give your buyers the strength of a cash offer. I want to pause here because I know exactly what's sitting in your CRM right now, and it's a bunch of dead leads. How many are because you or your client think the score is too low? What's low to them might be depending on what they tried to buy. If you have a pile of clients who want to buy, but their credit score is a 580 or a 610, and your current lender just told them to call back in a year, realtors, how much commission is sitting in that dead pile right now? This is where my credit upgrade program changes the game for your business. Because I'm a pinnacle partner with Rocket Pro TPO, I don't just tell your clients they have to have credit. I give them a specific roadmap to fix it. We use an advanced simulator that provides a literal GPS to a 700 credit score. It tells the client exactly which balance to pay and exactly which day to do it. We've seen scores jump from 40 to 60 and even 100 points in as little as 30 to 45 days. Now, let's talk about the deals that usually get padlocked by traditional banks. You know, the ones that the complex files that stop your momentum. Let's talk about rate security in a volatile market. Rate anxiety kills deals. My Padlock program allows your buyers to lock and shop. We can freeze the interest rate while they are out looking for a home with you. It removes the fear of rising rates and keeps their buying power exactly where we calculated on day one. Let's talk about special lending programs for self-employed buyers. Most lenders look at a tax return and see a no. I look at a self-employed buyer and see an entrepreneur. Because I'm a broker, I have access to a specialized bank statements programs where I can qualify your business owner clients based on their actual cash flow, not just the net income after deductions. Realtors, how many listings could you show if your entrepreneurs finally had a yes in their pocket? Manufactured homes, many lenders won't touch them, but they are a massive part of the affordable housing market today. We have dedicated lending tracks for manufactured housing that treat them with the same priority as a stick-built homes. If it's on a permanent foundation, we have a path to closing. Self-employed, manufactured homes, low credit scores, not enough for down payments, a padlock on your deal, I have the key to open it for you. Folks, this is not just why I'm hot, it's why I'm different. I'm not just an MLO. I hold a Series 6 and a 214 license. I perform a financial needs analysis for every buyer. I find hidden money that old accounts that other lenders don't even think to ask about. I'm not just here to write your clients a transaction. Would you rather work with a lender who just checks boxes or a financial advocate who ensures your buyer is stable, protected, and ready to buy their next three homes from you? I'm here to build your long-term wealth. And regardless of the kind of loan that might be needed, I work with Rocket and Spring EQ for their secondary mortgages with Spring EQ or primary mortgages, first loans with Rocket Pro. Now, I want to earn a spot on your preferred list. And here's my challenge. Give me your toughest five. One client you couldn't close that you think is impossible. Let me run a roadmap session for them. My info is on the screen. Just text me the word roadmap, or let's grab a coffee next week. Let's losing deals and start building your one plan for more commissions. I'm Prince JL, and I look forward to being your side lender that eventually becomes your number one. See you at your next closing.